have to search for I go bread them because I feel little skinny bread them up there, so and listen. Either I make my bread or we gotta get this bread or we get no bread, okay? God. Oh, sorry. This camera is tostones. You know when you fry the green plantain and you press it out.
Oh.
I think I want one, but not today though. This is the over. Everybody wants this, but I need a wok.
Well,
A wok, like to stir fry.
yeah, well, the big cup that one. So.
This is $80 though. Oh, you have a spoon. For my friend in New York who asked me about Dutch pot.
Yeah, what about you? Which one?
I don't like it. They're actually kind of nice. The one that when you get it's nice, but it's really sweet.
Yeah, find it more in volume. You must not say it better. Find it is more in volume.
No.
Yeah.
But it's more in value, that means it's not good.
No,
the
not.
one that is good is gone.
No.
No.
Not all them package make it. Any amount in value, let's it move faster.
No. That's not good. Whatever is really good is gone. I like this one better than that one. This is more subtle. I'm a frozen corn buyer. Oh, Dad. We gotta put this in a bag. Yeah, separate bag though. Maybe my next video will be about me going to get my little pedicure because bigger than the one that was by our old place. Look at this. Let's see what we need. That's small. Yeah. Look, see, they have a little. Oh, she Adult clothes over there. So this is our little supermarket run. It's not our monthly shopping, just a little bit of things that I grabbed for a little touch up. You got your bleach, toothpaste, dish soap, my coffee creamer, Go-Gurt for the kids. They like these two flavors specifically, so why not just get that? You know, Jamaican water crackers. And I'm gonna make tacos, so I got the crunchy shell and the soft shell. Some people like the crunchy, some people like the soft. Oranges, my peppers, some carrots, green onions or scallions, whatever you call it, frozen corn, purple cabbage, black soy, hard dough bread, hot dog bread, potatoes, parsley, chicken wing, milk, and buttermilk. Pediasure for the jelly bean, and my little refills. One single Gatorade, because that they decide I'll get Gatorade before I leave. Leave the store. That's it. Just our little touch up. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.